Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we talked about systems theory as a modern approach to organizational behavior. In this video, we will see another modern approach known as contingency theory. Contingency theory has emerged as a significant framework in modern organizational behavior, emphasizing that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to management and organizational design. This theory posits that the effectiveness of the various management practices depends on the specific context or environment in which an organization operates. Therefore, organizational success is contingent upon aligning managerial strategies, structures, and processes with situational variables. The origins of contingency theory can be traced back to the 1960s, with foundational contributions from scholars such as Joan Woodward, Paul Lawrence, and J. Lorsch. These researchers challenged the traditional universal principles of management by demonstrating that different organizational environments necessitate different management approaches. Joan Woodward's research on manufacturing firms provided early empirical support for contingency theory. Her studies revealed that the effectiveness of organizational structures varied based on the type of production technology employed. For example, organizations engaged in mass production benefited from mechanistic structures characterized by high formalization and specialization. In contrast, organizations involved in unit or small batch production thrived with organic structures that emphasize flexibility and decentralized decision-making. Paul Lawrence and J. Lorsch further advanced contingency theory through their investigation of organizational differentiation and integration. They proposed that organizations operating in complex and dynamic environments required more differentiated structures to handle diverse tasks and responsibilities. However, these differentiated units needed effective integrative mechanisms to ensure coherence and coordination across the organization. Their work underscored the importance of achieving a balance between differentiation and integration to adapt to environmental demands effectively. A central tenet of contingency theory is the fit between organizational design and environmental contingency. This fit involves aligning various elements such as organizational structure, leadership style, and decision-making processes with contextual factors like market volatility, technological complexity, and regulatory requirements. For instance, in stable environments, a more hierarchical structure with centralized decision-making may be effective. Conversely, in turbulent environments, organizations might benefit from flatter structures and more participative leadership style to respond swiftly to changes. Later research has expanded the application of contingency theory to various domains within organizational behavior. For example, the theory has been applied to understand the contingent nature of leadership effectiveness. Fiedler's contingency model posits that the effectiveness of a leader is contingent upon the match between the leader's style and the favorability of the situational context. Leaders with a task-oriented style are more effective in highly favorable or highly unfavorable situations, while relationship-oriented leaders perform better in moderately favorable conditions. Despite its contributions, contingency theory is not without its criticisms. Some scholars argue that the theory can be overly deterministic, implying that organizations have a limited agency in shaping their environments. Moreover, adhering strictly to established fits might overlook opportunities for breakthrough performance via innovative or non-conforming strategies. That is, A strict adherence to established fits could potentially limit the exploration of innovative strategies. Innovative or non-conforming strategies might offer breakthrough performance, not achievable through traditional fits. The research calls for a balance between maintaining a fit and being open to innovative approaches that may deviate from established norms. In conclusion, contingency theory has significantly influenced modern organizational behavior by highlighting the importance of contextual factors in determining the effectiveness of management practices. By advocating for a situational approach, the theory provides a nuanced understanding of organizational dynamics and offers valuable insights for designing adaptable and responsive organizations. As the business environment continues to evolve, the principles of contingency theory remain highly relevant for navigating the complexities of organizational life.